G'day folks, welcome to tonight's show. Tonight I'm test riding a new pair of riding trousers. So I've had a couple of different brand names. I've had the Harley Davidson riding trousers and I've had the Dragon jeans. But full disclosure, I've been sent a pair of Resurgence jeans free of charge to check out. They've already ticked a massive big box for me. Anyway, I'll talk about that later. So grab a bevy, kick back, and let's talk about jeans. Let's go. Check out these new jeans. These Resurgence jeans. So, my issue with jeans, because I'm so long, they tend to fit me when I'm standing up, but then when I get on the bike, with all the joint movement, I look like I got 3/4 pants on. So I'll go through the ones I've used, and I'm not bagging them out because I've had awesome service out of all the riding pants that I've ever had. I started off with a pair of Dragon jeans in the faded denim, and of course I had two, like I did with all others other than these new ones. Basically had to unhem them, roll the hem out and get a fake hem put in for me to be able to use them, and they're still a little bit short when I sat down. So I had a great turnout. They're the Kevlar type. They've served me well, not knocking them at all. The faded denim, maybe a little bit out of style, but served their purpose without any drama at all. Then I was going away for a trip and I thought I'm not going to be able to wear one pair of jeans for 2 weeks, so I brought a second pair. This time I brought a pair of Harley Davidson branded Kevlar line jeans in the black, and again with the hem, rolled them down, faked hemmed, did the job, served me well. They were my favourite jeans. I wore them over the top of the Dragon jeans because, you know, they're black, what can I say? And they and of course they have served me very well, and I didn't know any different until Resurgence reached out, and thank you so much, and explained to me about this pair of jeans that they've sent me to try. They got a rolled up cuff on them, and I can't for the life of me remember, sorry Aaron, what the name of these jeans are. So I'll put it here at the bottom of the screen. But they're quite long. They were longer than my other jeans once they'd been hemmed without the roll up, and just because I can, I have rolled them down anyway. And so far so good. They're quite a comfortable jean. I will admit that I've been in a very happy pasture over the winter, so I have gone up a jean size, and these jeans aren't stretch type like the other two were. So they're a solid heavy denim. They're quite stylish, which is interesting because I'm not known for being very stylish, but anyway, we'll give them a whirl. They feel comfortable sitting. They did come with armour, and I have put some of the armour in on the hips. I haven't put the knee armour in as yet. I got a bit of a trip on today and I didn't want to be uncomfortable and parked up on the side of the road in my knickers, pulling padding out of jeans. So we'll try them when I've got a shorter ride on, or I'm just doing a spin around town for comfort reasons. So far so good. They fit me well around the waist. They definitely fit me well on the leg, which is the win that I was talking about earlier. When you're 6'7", you got to be happy with that. And I'm not all legs, I'm pretty much long in the torso and long in the legs as well. So anybody that is a longer taller person, here's an opportunity to get a pair of riding jeans that will not roll up halfway up your shin when you put your feet up on the pedals. So tall guys, take heed. Anyway, I'm going to get on with my day, see how the jeans perform, and we will go from there. Well, let's go. What a cracker day. It was a great day out on the bike. Made a couple of videos and saw the sights. So the Resurgence jeans, what can I say? Very comfortable. It's a new phenomenon, feeling jeans flapping around my ankle, which I didn't get to test any of the crash protection, thank goodness. They covered up me junk as they're supposed to do and kept me decent in public. They kept me warm and dry. So far so good. I want to thank Aaron and the team for reaching out. Thanks, man. I will make some more comments on these once I've worn them a few more times. But mate, very comfortable, very long. I love them. So thank you. For you taller guys, may have found you the jeans made in heaven for you. So get over and check out Resurgence website. Thank everybody else for watching, and we will see you next time. Cheers. Let's go.